with the fuels that have been clean? Or,
For example, we recommend only on
okay, because one important metadata is also to know if the record has been clean or not, because we are at the level of the record. Huh? Okay, huh? So we could also have a Boolean stating cleansing has been done or not, or something like that. Or we could also have an information such as, I don't know, but this record must be clean. See, for example, an empty field has been identified, but currently it has not yet been fixed. You see? After that, this information of the state, the quality, let's say, of the record, can we have a view at the level of a field? Because considering in the record we have in the configuration many fields that are involved in the cleansing procedure. This is the case for empty field. It's surely not the case for other cleansing procedure. I don't have example, but that operate at the level of the record, of course, it depends. So we have to distinguish, to be sure that we can manage cleansing state at the level of the record, and cleansing state, why not, at the level of the fields. And considering that cleansing state at the level of the record, we will have that in semantic and relation mode, but at the level of the field, we lose that in the relation mode because we cannot save multi-occurs. So this is more smart to think like that. So in the user guide, we could write in semantic mode, you have the full tracking. In the relation mode, you have the tracking at the level of the record only. So meaning if we have 3 fields and if at least one field is not fixed, the record is not fixed. But we don't know which field in the relation mode. You see my thinking? So we must to be super smart when we write specification. On such point, I hope that you can put on the table the solution directly, rather than either asking the question or letting the question floating a little bit, and we don't really know what are the impact. When we make specification, we have to think about the full story as far as possible. This is not so easy, of course, because if I spend with you, as I already said, but 10 minutes per question, including a very little question like that, if we have 50 questions to manage, and since we have 10 add-ons, even with this organization, we cannot succeed. So you have to really, but it's normal. It's not easy. It's the first time we work like that. But you have to be super more autonomous in the specification to try to write down the full story. So initially the question was from Vietan about what happened in the relation mode, and you see from that we have many points to make clear. But this is a good way of thinking. Yes, I remember that.
So now in the table configuration, we display all the table.
Yes.
With or without the Wikimedia runtime.
Yes.
So we will have 2 pages. So we will have 2 pages in the full Wiki. The first one is the table with all Wikimedia runtime, and the second one is the table with no Wikimedia runtime. Just only 2 pages.
Actually 2 cases, but also we have to make possible come back to the configuration. I don't know how. In my initial slide, the user also was able to decide if the table is under cleansing or matching.
But if like that, we need to separate the metadata from cleansing and matching.
No, but imagine you have a table here with the metadata type. So it means matching and cleansing. Because it doesn't mean that we want to use both match and cleansing. So we must have the ability here to select with a checkbox or something like that, matching, cleansing. So I can do only cleansing or I can do only match. By making possible this selection, it means that it has impact on the UE. So now we can have a UE as usual with only matching, or we can have a UE with only cleansing, or a UE with both. You are okay with that? And for a table that has no meta data type, by default the check cleansing is selected, and we cannot change because in this situation only cleansing is possible, but at least we can configure the table so that we know this table when we use it in EBX, we have the service cleansing, match and cleanse, but with only the cleansing. Is that clear or not, what I am saying? So the question is, why from my specification, when I mentioned the checkbox for the selection, why from that we arrive on that, meaning that we have no longer the selection for the matching on the cleansing?
Because the tree, one to design has we have separate the cleansing method.
Don't say a tree or other guys, you are a team. Explain me what happened. Okay.
We want to separate the cleansing data and depend on the metadata included in the table. So we
Okay.
decide that.
But including with this situation, imagine you have the two data type, cleansing and matching. It doesn't mean that systematically you want in the UE have both, because you will not remove the data cleansing meta type to just remove that on the UE because you want only to be focused on the matching at a certain type. So it's difficult to understand from a user point of view and to explain to the user, okay, go to remove your metadata type, so you will lose all your history. Okay? So be super focused on what is relevant from a functional point of view, because if we enter in a specification process where you put on the table something that is not relevant from a functional point of view, this is a blind alley, this is impossible to work. Pushing on the table something that is relevant, but I am not okay with that, so we discuss, we change, why not? But push on the table something that is not relevant from a functional point of view, this is really not good. Except now, if you are able to convince me that it's relevant to say to the user, you remove your metadata type. You see what I mean? And this is like in the games. If we were designing a game, this is not so simple. We have to create a scenario, a use case that the player is super comfortable. He understands that he can move from a room to another room, the scenario that is relevant. If we start a story that is not possible to follow for the user, this is the failure of the software, this is the collapse for our solution. So what is interesting here is not this little point, because it's super easy to understand, but this is the way of thinking. The process we achieve to put on the table the specification is super important. At least two key points. First, when you have a starting specification from the client, so me or the owner of the product, so you have something, but you decide to change, you must explain why you change. So you don't explain me. So you remove the ability to select the cleansing, the matching. So first problem. Second problem, you suggest a solution that is from a functional point of view not relevant. Or you have to convince me. So if you associate these two problems, it becomes super not professional, because you are working on a material that is not clear. From an engineer point of view, this is a nonsense to present that. But it's a good news because once again, this is the first time we work all together on the specification phase. This is super complicated work. This is a job that is very difficult. And this is exactly what I want you to do because I have no time once again to make clear the specification on all function, on all add-ons. But if I spend too much time with you on each function, it will be not good as well, of course. And this is not a technical concern. This is really how we see the world from a user point of view. Okay, but I think you got it.
We
Yeah.
remember this for the next time.
Sorry?
We can remember this for the next time.
Yeah, yes, but this is normal. This is really a learning curve, and you must be sure about what you are saying. Meaning that if